Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, we have here a problem that show that f of x equals x e to the x has a positive root at 0, 1. So first things first is we check if the function is continuous sa domain. So function is continuous. So just a quick check here, informal checking. So no zero denominator. No undefined, sa range na 0, 1. So we can say na f is continuous. So this is f is continuous. So second is we check f of a is not equal to fb dapat. Okay, so let's check. So f of a is 0, f of 0 is equal to 0 e to the 0 minus 2. So this is equal to negative 2. And f of 1 is equal to 1 e to the 1 minus 2, or just equal to e minus 2. Okay, and take note na e minus 2, this is around 0.78. No? So, alam natin na that is greater than 0. Okay? So, note that 0 is between f of 0 and f of 1. Okay? So, meron kang negative 2 to 0.7 and nandun yung 0 sa gitna. Tama? Therefore, IVT holds and there exists a C between 0 and 1 such that f of c is equal to 0. Okay? And how do we know what is the form? So the form would be just f of c. So that is c e to the c minus 2. Okay? So here we used IVT to show that x e to the x minus 2 has a positive root between 0 and 1. Okay? So see you in the next videos.